Very good morning to all and welcome to this session. Yesterday we started the session and we already learned about the Office, what is Office automation software, what is MS Office, what kind of tool in it, and we started the work. So continue with the topic. We are going to learn the more features of MS Word. Now today, after yesterday we completed the superscript, subscript and strike. So today we are going to learn about the cases in the word. Okay, now what do you mean by the cases? And then it is available in the font formatting. So that's mean what cases means what? Suppose you have these kind of paragraph and you want to shift this paragraph in the upper letter. Okay, so this is known as a case. Upper case, lower case, sentence case, first letter capital, and the last one is toggle case. Okay, now just select the paragraph and here is the option given, that is the 2A is a icon, that is the first one is a sentence case. That is a default case in the MS Word. Now what do you mean by the sentence case? You want to write some sentence. Okay, you want to write some sentence. For example, this is the online session for MS Word. Okay, so by default, it automatically shifted first letter into the uppercase. So this is known as a sentence case. While writing the sentence, first letter automatically become the capital letter. Okay, but you want to shift this instead of sentence case, that is the default case. Instead of sentence case, you want to shift it into the uppercase. So there are given option is given uppercase. Option is given, that is the lower case. Option is given, that is a capitalize each word. Now the difference between the sentence case and capital each word means sentence is what? Collection of word. Word is a what? Collection of letters. In the sentence, so many words are there and you want each and every word should have the first letter capital. So that is the capitalize each word. And you want just opposite. Opposite means first letter is small and rest capital. So that is known as toggle case. That is known as toggle case. For example, this is the opposite of first letter capital. But suppose I shifted it into the uppercase. Now I want a toggle. Toggle means opposite. Then it will be shifted on small letters. See, isn't it? So toggle case, sentence case, lower case, upper case. These are the default cases available. 5 cases are there. Sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and toggle case. And the shortcut key for that is Shift F3. Shift F3, Shift F3, Shift F3. See, this is the shortcut key to change the cases. This is a shortcut key to change the cases. Shift F3. Is it? Okay. So Shift F3 is a shortcut key to change the cases upper, lower, proper, first letter capital and sentence case. Now the next is we are moving to the next feature. That is what? Instead, here this is the font group and this is the paragraph group. Now in the font group, the important option was sentence case, strike through, superscript, subscript. And if you find any option as per you, which is the important, and I drop that option, so just raise the query, then I'll give you the understanding. But as per me, these are the important option. Now, there is a one shortcut key to open the font window. Control D. Control D is a shortcut key to open the font window. Here is a font and all the options are here: strike through, superscript, subscript, small caps, all caps and hidden. Now, this is important, hidden. This is important, hidden. Now, suppose while taking the printout, you don't want to show this paragraph or you don't want to show this list. whatever I created yesterday. A page have 5 parts. Okay, so what people are doing, this is the common practice for all the people. They are doing, they shifted from first black to white color. Then it is hidden, but it is not hidden. Space is there now. It is not hidden. Space is there. Space is visible. So instead of that, because see, space you can now, when you delete it, then the space will be deleted now. But still, the space, whatever the list occupied, it is still visible. So in the printout, it will be visible. So instead of that, what you do? This is the best practice. Press Ctrl D and set here hidden. Hidden. See, now space is not visible. Also, the space is not visible. This is a very important thing, you know. So just make down, note down this thing. This is very important because in our field, we are creating the reports according to the client to client. Okay, we are creating the reports according to client or company to company. And it is a usual practice when we want to create a new report of the another client. So what we do, we open the file, like the whatever the report is there. We open that report and save as with the name of another company and just make some changes. Maybe sometimes we want to delete something. So use this one option. That is the hidden. That is the most important thing, hidden. Okay. Now the next is, again, when you press the Ctrl D, now hidden, now definitely people are asking like, what is the shortcut key or how we can unhide that? So there is an option. Again, just select it, then Ctrl D, and there is a just untick it. And okay. Then you are getting again. Okay, because undo will work only till the file is open. But once you save and next time you open, then undo will not work. So you should unhide that. Okay. Now the next is when you press Ctrl D, there is an option of advance. This is a very simple thing, text effect. Usually we are not using text effect in our professional world. But if you want to know, then just check text fill and text outline. Now, what is text fill? See, the word are presently, you can check here the black letters. And P, black is completely filled. But you want don't fill, no fill. So you can set from here, text effect, then no fill. Then you have to set the outline color. Solid line, and then whatever line you want. See, and if you like increase the font, then you can, it will be visible exactly what you want. Okay, we don't want to fill the inner part. We only want outlines. So this is the text effect, but usually we are not using this in our field. So Ctrl D, then the text effect, just use it. And if you find some difficulty, then I'll give you the help. Then advance. This is again the important thing. You know, sometimes, what do you mean by the character spacing? See, this is the paragraph, normal paragraph. And characteristic is spacing means how many gaps are there between T and H? How much gaps are there in between T and H? There is no gap. It's a usual, like after like finishing the T letter, immediately H will appear. But you want, there should be some gap. So press Ctrl D. Instead of normal, you should press expand. Expand by 1 point. See, this is known as a text effect. This is known as a character spacing, not text effect. Ctrl D, expand and then condensed. Condensed means you don't want a space. Even a single space you don't want. See, Okay, just feel the difference between this and this, this and this. Okay, now Control D. Then here is the option of 100% scale, and then contains the normal, expanded, and raised and lower. Raised, same thing, superscript, and lowered is subscript. Then now I'm going to move for the next feature, that is a paragraph. This is very important. Paragraph writing. We used to write down the paragraph in our reports, right? We used to write down the paragraph in our reports. So paragraph writing is a very important in our field. So I'm going to create a new document here so that I can give you the clear and concise way for the paragraph writing. Suppose I'm having one paragraph. I told you about the rand function. This is the default function available in Word. Then now in this paragraph, just like try to feel the margin area, try to check the margin area of the left side. Try to check the margin area of the left side. This is the left side margin. Yesterday I told you a page is divided into 5 parts. Top margin, bottom margin, left margin, right margin, and text area. So try to understand the margin. This is the scale shows us the margin area in the dark gray color. And from here you can open the scale. If you don't want to scale, then a ruler, then just untick it. If you don't want is ruler, then just untick it, then ruler will not appear. If you want to show the ruler, then ruler will be appeared. And in the ruler, gray area shown as the spaces, left margin. And when I scroll right side, then it is showing me the right margin. Again, I am scrolling the left side and upper side, then it is showing me the left margin. Then again, it is showing me the right margin. Okay, this is the right margin. This is the right margin. Okay, I can reduce the margin, I can increase the margin by dragging and dropping this arrow. By dragging and dropping this arrow. This is the upper, like this is the way how we can decrease and increase the margin area with the help of ruler. This is known as a ruler. Right, now next. Sometimes, you know, for the binding purpose, or maybe some because of your whenever you want to, you need to submit the report to the department now. So according to the department, some formattings are fixed. You have to format your document according to the whatever the department's standards are there. So suppose in the standards there is a written like here is a, this is the cursor. Okay, from where you should start the writing. This is the cursor from where you should start the writing, because the cursor definitely will appear after the completing the margin. But you want, still you want some space. So you have to press this kind of thing. Okay, you want some kind of space. Maybe the standards are there in the formatting document, the standards are there, or maybe for the binding purpose, or maybe some other reasons. So this is known as indenting. This is known as indenting. After the margin, like after completing the margin, you will start the writing, but you want still space. This is known as indenting. So when you want to increase the indenting after the margin, then there is a shortcut key, that is Control M. Control M. No need to press space bar again and again. Control M is a shortcut key to increase the indenting. Is it? Control M is a how to unhide the, how to unhide. Okay, Syed, I'm going to give you the understanding. Unhide. Okay. Ruler. Sarika, ruler. From view, you can take the ruler. From view, you can take the ruler. From view, tick the ruler. Here is the option. View, then show and ruler. Okay, and the one question was there, that is unhide, how to unhide. So when you hide, then Control D, and here is an option in the font that hidden. Okay, but now the paragraph is hidden. Again, just select it, Control D, and untick it. You will get the paragraph. Okay, satisfied? Any question? Syed, Sarika, got it? Any question? Okay, just tried it. I am waiting. Tried it. Completed. Indent. Okay, okay. I'm telling you indent. मार्जिन को वापस लाने का क्या करें? Okay. What is indent? Yes, reports are like 100% reports can be built in the Word because no other software is there. You cannot build by the Excel. You cannot build by the Notepad using the Notepad. Okay. All the reports should be reports should be built in the using the Word. So, okay, I'm going to give you the clarification on indent. Okay. About the paragraph. Okay. Indenting. Okay. Indenting. Indenting means, please concentrate. Now, what is indenting? See, this dark gray color shows us the margin of the page. Okay, if you want to reduce or decrease the margin, so with the help of cursor, okay, just make the cursor. First of all, you should make the pointer. Here is, you should make the pointer. Or here, see, this is the point. You can reduce or increase the margin by dragging and drop. Same thing is here. You can reduce the margin by dragging and drop. But sometimes, you know, because see, reports should be submitted, reports to be submitted to the department, and department have some kind of standards for submitting the reports. In that standards, there is a written indenting, because indenting is a increase, like the area between the margin and the text starts the right cursor. For example, presently no gap is there. After finishing the margin, the cursor is there. And if you want to make some spaces between the margin and the text, then you have to press space bar. You have to press space bar, but it is a time taking work. And again, you have to paste the space bar. It is a time taking work. But instead of that, there is an option of indenting. Indenting is gap between the margin area and the text area. So you have to press Control M. See, Control M. It will shift it, complete the paragraph. There is no need to press the space bar again and again and again and again. Definitely it will take time. So instead of that, you have to press Control M. M for margin. Control Shift and decrease indenting. Control M, increase indenting. Control Shift M, decrease indenting. Is it clear? Is it clear? And this option is available in the paragraph. Is it clear? I told you, like, please rename to your devices, because when you ask the question, then I'm not getting who is asking the question, because it is giving me the unknown name. Okay, now I'm sure indenting is clear, but there is a problem because I'm going to maximize it. Okay, now see, if I am increasing the indent, this is Control M. I'm increasing the indent, but here is a margin. So I want right side indenting should be there. Right side also the indenting should be there. This is the left side indenting. This is the left side indenting. But right side indenting I also want, because as per the standard it is given. So there is an option that is mirror indent. That is mirror indent. Mirror indent means both side indenting, left side and right side both. Both side and left side and right side both. So where you will get the option in the home, go to the paragraph, and in the paragraph there is an option of mirror indent. Left side also I want 0.5 and right side I also want 0.5. Then press OK. See, both side indenting is there, and you can check the small pointer on your ruler. This is the right indent, this is the left indent. 0.5. Right and left indent. Is it clear? Left and right indent is clear. Left and right indenting is clear. Okay, now next. Now indenting again are of three types. Mirror indenting, we already learned that. Then first line indent. Now what is first line indent? Only indenting in the I want in the first line. Indenting I want in the first line. So again from here paragraph, there is an option of first line indent. First line indent. See, by default I set the indent for whole paragraph 0.5 by 0.5 right and left, and still I want indenting. The first line should be starts from 0.5 again. So this is the first line indent. See, here is a small pointer. You can check first line indent and you can check the left indent. And the just opposite, I want first indenting should be in the, it should not be in the first line, but rest line should have the indenting. So that is known as hanging indent. Hanging indent. See, I'm sure in the like paper or newspaper articles or books, you can check this kind of indenting, margin and indenting. Is it clear? Margin and indenting, is it clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Two ruler at single page. How it is possible, Jiten? 2 ruler means what? Yeah, Nitin, space bar. If you press space bar, then it takes some time. Okay. But I'm sure after completing this topic, now your time will be reduced to make the reports. Because see, this is very usual things during the articleship. We need to make the reports in the articleship, like when we work under our principal, then we used to make the reports. So indenting are very useful option. Nitin, I'm not getting how we can open the ruler. I'm not getting it. So please, if you can clear, then raise the question clear and concise way, in the clear and concise way. Okay. Now next, after indenting, now again one problem you can check. Again one problem you can check. See, in the text alignment, this is the text alignment. In the paragraph, this is the text alignment. And you have 4 kind of alignments: left, right, center, and justified. By default, the left alignment is there. By default, the left alignment is there. But you want right alignment, then press Ctrl R. It is the right alignment. Press Ctrl L, it is the left alignment, and press Ctrl E, center alignment. Is it? Okay, so we are moving ahead. Now, this is known as an alignment. Again, I am going to give you the clarification. For example, report. Okay, I am making a report. So this is the cost audit report. This is my cost audit report. Shift F3. Shift F3. Okay, this is my cost of it audit report. But I want the alignment should be left. This is the left alignment. The alignment should be right. This is the right alignment. Control E. This is the center alignment. And I'm bolding it. I am using the Control B and Control U for underline. I can increase the font size by pressing the Control Shift greater than, Control Shift less than, or Control square bracket. Control square bracket. See, Control close square bracket, increasing by 1 point, Control open square bracket, increasing by. So this is what? Center alignment, left and right. So what is justified alignment? Here is the option given, justified alignment. You cannot use the justified alignment for a single word, because this is your single word. This is known as a single word, cost audit report. Control J, by default, it will take the left alignment. Control L also the left alignment, control R is the right alignment, control E is the center alignment. But for justified alignment, you should have one paragraph. In this paragraph, what is the problem? Can you explain what is the problem? It is not looking proper. It not looks proper. Why it is not looking proper? Anybody have some kind of idea? Why it is not, it looks not good, very good. No audio. No. Actually, by mistake, I pressed some key. So it was mute. Now it is unmute. Any idea why I'm saying it is not looking good? This paragraph is not looking good. Why I'm saying? So the alignment is control L. Control L. But it is not still looking good. Why? Because see, the first line ends here, the second line ends here, the third line ends here, and the fourth line ends here. It looks not similar. So to forgive the look, similar look, we have to set the control J, justified alignment. Now see, to make the same edges, you can like say like this, to make the same edges, similar edges, control J. See, here is again the problem. So just select it, press control J. See, is it clear? Any doubt? Yes, alignment is not proper. Siddharth, very good. Yes. But now I'm sure you got control J. Control J is a shortcut key to align in a justified. Control J is a shortcut key. Very good, Aniket. That means you know this. Okay, so next. Now the next is after the line. This is known as alignment. How many alignments are there? There are 4 alignments: left, right, center, justified. Control L, control R, control J, control E. These are the shortcuts. Now the next is line spacing. So what is line space? Previously I told you about the character spacing. It is given on the font group. But now line space. Between 2 lines, what space, what kind of space you want, how much space you want. By default, this is the normal space. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are there, and this is the normal space. This is the normal space. But you want to increase the space, control, or you want to decrease the, you want a justified space. Control 1, control 2, control 5. Control 1 is a no space. Control 2 is a double line space. Control 5 is a 1.5 space. This is the line space. You know, when I used this kind of option, sometimes, you know, our like letter or application, whatever I need to submit to the department or like my head or my principal, whatever. And the matter is too small. Matter is too small. Then the page remain blank. Rest page remain blank, obviously, because matter is too small. So I used to use this thing. Control 1 for no line space, control 2 for double, and control 5 for 1.5. I used to use it like, for example, suppose I'm going to create one application. Okay, this is just a simple for the demonstration purpose. Okay. Here I used to the like management. Okay, and then company name, or then select sir, and I use this paragraph. Now space is there. So many space, so much space is there. And below I should write thanks and then my name. and I will sign it. But still blank space is visible. Blank space is visible. So to reduce this kind of space, I used this thing. Control 2. See, it reduced some space now. Even you want to again reduce some space, then you can increase the space before. From where? Paragraph, then spacing before. You should space. See? Okay. Now, even in the after. Here also, then before and after. See? Is it clear? Now it will shift it on the second page. So again, I want to reduce the space, then paragraph, then after, because I don't want second page now. Now I can press delete. Now only one page. I am having only one page. See? Is it? Now I'm sure you are getting properly. Is it? Anybody have some doubt? Superscript. Okay. I'm going to tell you. Letter space shortcut key. Control 1, Control 2, Control 5 for single line, Control 1, Control 2 for double line, Control 5 for 1.5 line. Okay, Chaitanya? Okay, a student is asking about the superscript. So, see, level. This is capital I, ST level. So, just select the ST, Control Shift equal to. Okay, this will shift it in the. Then enter. Now make sure the superscript is not selected here, because when you press cursor here, then superscript is highlighted. But when you want to write next thing, second level, then again select ND, then Jitin, I think so it is clear now. Because Jitin, you asked the question now. Nitin, I think so. Actually, the name is not written properly. So you have to rename your devices through which you are logging. Because unless name is not there, I cannot like trace out who is asking. Okay. Is it? Should I move for the next? Okay, fine. Next. Sometimes, you want to make the list. You want to make the points. Like in the audit report, you want to make the points. Okay, and you want to make the some points. Like for inventory, for accounts, for like anything else. Okay, you want to make the some points. Then suppose you want first point, then please do not written like this. Do not try to write first point. Okay, this point is related to accounts. Then again you need to press 2. Then this is related to inventory. Why the space is there? Can you explain why the space is there? When I press enter, then it is taking the space. Why? Because I set the space from here. So just use don't add the space between the same pair. And instead of 36 point, use 0. Use 0. Then okay. Okay, so please do not try to make the points like this. If you want to make the points, then Okay, so don't use like this. Please don't write like this. Just take the points from here. Either bullets or numbering. If you want to make the points, then you can make the points two types, either bullets or numbering. Now you are taking numbering. So this is the accounts point. Then enter. Automatically second is there. Inventory point. Cost related point. Enter. And fixed assets related. Okay, then automatically 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So you should make the points using up in the paragraph. There is an option of bullets and numbering. You should make the points using this. Don't write with yourself 1, 2, 3, 4. It will take time, some time. And maybe see, suppose I deleted this point, then automatically this cost will be shifted on the second point. See, but in the case of manual, you have to again rearrange the numbers. You have to rearrange the numbers. Okay. So I'm sure like you are getting properly. If not, then raise the query. Right? So next is, instead of like selecting here, if you want to make the points, then there is a shortcut key. How? See, I want to make a 1 point, then type 1, press tab key. Then make a point, accounts, enter. See, automatically it will be converted into list. Tab key, tab. Tab is a very important shortcut. Then inventory point, cost point. Use the spelling correction. Okay, enter. Then financial statements. Again, use the correction, spelling correction. Right click and correct this. Is it? I'm sure like how we can create the list without using the upper part or without using the mouse. Just press tab key. Tab is a shortcut key for the creating the list. Tab. Second shortcut key I'm going to give you the understanding. But first I'm going to give you from here. What is multi-level list? Multi-level list. Multi-level list means what? In the accounts point, you also want to specify the two sub-points. Under the accounts point, you want to specify the sub-points. Sub-points. So here, from here, you can take the multi-level. Okay, now when you press enter, then press tab key. Tab key, branch A, enter. Branch B, enter. Branch C. Now you want to exit from sub point, then enter, enter. First tab key, then enter, then again tab key to make the multi-level list. Okay, and then suppose you want to exit from the sub level, second level, then again press enter. Okay, now I'm going to give you the understanding in the new page also. For example, CMA course. Enter. Now the first is foundation. Foundation. Enter. Under the foundation, 4 subjects are there. Subject 1. Enter. subject 2, enter, subject 3, enter. Then intermediate. Okay, then again enter tab key. Tab key. Then suppose you have group 1, enter. Then group 1 subjects, subject 1, enter. Subject 2, enter. Subject 3. Now you want to exit from subjects, enter. Then group 2, enter, tab key. Subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. Now you want to exit, then enter. Then skills training. Okay. No, it's a get level. Okay. I'm not sure because get level 1. Then get level 2. This is just for example. Now you want to exit completely from here. Like for example, tab key, skills training. Enter, then tab key. Computer training. Enter. Then soft skills. Then you want to exit from all the levels. Enter, enter, enter. Again enter. Again enter. So see, this is the multi-level list. Multi-level list. Any question? Any question? WhatsApp group, na? Yeah, I'll create. Blue line because of the grammatical mistakes. Sub point. Enter key, then tab key, Krish. Enter, then tab. Thank you, Shobit. Thank you. Blue line none because of the grammatical mistake. Okay. So complete list you can use tab key, enter key, tab and enter, tab and enter. For example, in the subject 1, I also want to make the sub point, then enter, tab key. See? Then again sub point, tab key. To exit from the sub point, enter, enter, enter. See? I'm sure that how keys will work, you are getting properly. Is it? Try to, because see, I don't have exactly the idea, but you have the idea of your courses level. So just make the list of that kind of courses, CMA course. This is the just assignment. Okay. For CMA course, you have to make all the levels you have to make using the list. So you should specify all kind of levels. Any doubt, please? Okay. So should I move ahead? I'm sure whatever we learn in the first half, So moving ahead. Any doubt? No? Okay. Next. Here is an option given. This is a very simple option. It is related to background color. It is related to table borders. Okay. For example, in this paragraph, okay, this is the paragraph you want to make the borders. Okay. So outside borders. Here all the options are given. All borders, bottom border, top border, left border, right border, then all borders. Okay, your paragraph will become enough. Now you can, for example, these are your paragraph. These are your paragraph. And now when you want to make the list, so it will assign by default 1, 2. See, 1, 2. Okay. Then tab key. For tab key, you can increase the space. Again, you want to include this also in your paragraph. So first, you should disable and then enable. Just remove the borders from here. No border. Okay. Then just use the borders from here. Is it clear? I'm moving ahead. Okay. Now when you include in the border and when you assign the numbers to that paragraph, then you can use the sorting also. For example, this paragraph starts from S, this paragraph is start from T, and this paragraph is start from T. Then suppose I want to sort in the descending order. So there is an option. In the paragraph, you want the descending order. The S paragraph will become first. Okay, because of the heading, it is not taking. Okay, no issue. We'll check later on. So paragraph is completed now. Now we are moving to the style option. Style option. We are moving to the style option. What is style? Anybody please give me the clarification. What is style? No, Yusuf, it is not like that. If you have the MS Word 2021 and then it will not work. No, it is not like that. Multi-level list will work in any kind of version. It is not like that to the version. It is not restricted to the version, Yusuf. Please check. What is the reason it is not working? So please check. No, red underline for spelling mistake, blue underline for grammatical mistake, Bharti. Priyanka, I'll give you the WhatsApp group now. I'll make the WhatsApp group and then you have to submit the assignments through the WhatsApp group also. I'll give you the one email ID on that WhatsApp group. Okay. So please don't worry about the assignment. First, answer me. What is style? What is style? Anybody knows what is style? Changing the font? No. Not only the font, complete formatting. Like color, like font style, and like indenting, everything. Line, space, everything. Everything. Okay, so we are going to learn the style. So style means what? To change the complete like font styles, font, bold, italic, and whatever the options is given here. This is style. Style is a combination of all these things. And default styles are built in. Normal style, office style, no space, heading, heading 2, title, subtitle, and so on. For example, just select it. I want to shift in the normal style. Style, then normal. See? Now all things are normal. What is normal means what? Normal means this is the body font, 12 size font. And suppose I shifted here, instead of normal, I shifted here the heading style. See? Now the color and the font is different. See? Now the color and the font is different. Here is a up to display heading 16. And the color is blue color. Blue color. And the word is almost sometimes here is a, see, first letter is a capital. Here is also the first letter is capital. Okay. So this is the style. Now sometimes, you know, when you want to make some important points, for example, this is the related to accounts point. Okay. And then this is inventory point. And this paragraph is written under first point. Right? And this is the second point. Enter, tab key. This is the second. And you should set, because of the style, you should set it in a normal style. Tab key. And this is your points. Now, because so many points are there, I'm just using the copy and paste so that I would have the so many points. Copy, paste, 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 paste. So many points I am having now. So the main points is accounts, inventory, accounts, inventory, accounts, inventory, inventory point. These are the main points. I'm making this the sub points. Okay. These are the main points. Now, one shortcut key is there, Control F. What is Control F? Why this is used, Control F? Anybody can explain what is use of Control F? What is the use of Control F? What is the use of Control F? The best part, if you are doing the internship, then you should have the laptop or desktops. This is the best part. But if you are not having the desktop or like laptop, then do the like work in your principal's office. Because see, while doing the internship, so many times you have to work at your home also. So in that case, you should have the laptop or the desktop. But if not, then no issue. Okay. Answer me. What is the use of the Control F? What is the use of the Control F? Please try to answer me. Yes, find something. Navigation. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Very good. But after 2007, okay, 2007 onwards, Microsoft makes some changes. Provide our chairman, sir. So he will join very soon. So kindly bear with us. So after 2007 onwards, Microsoft makes some drastic changes in the Control F. In a Control F, previously Control F opened the Find window, but now it is opening the navigation pane. This is known as navigation pane. Control F. This is the navigation pane. In the navigation pane, three headings are there. Three tabs are there. One is heading, second one is page, and third one is result. But presently it is showing me no heading is there. Why it is showing me the no heading is there? Anybody please? Why it is showing me no heading is there? Okay. I'm sure like everybody knows Control F. I'm sure because everybody answered me Control F is help us for finding or searching something. But now in the Control F, when you press the Control F, navigation pane will be open. Navigation pane will be appeared. Now in a navigation pane, three tabs are there. One is heading, second is pages, and third is result. But under the heading, no heading is there. It is giving me the no headings. Why so? Because still your like paragraph or your headings are not set it in the heading style. So make sure you shift it in the heading style. Control Shift S, shortcut key for change the style. Heading 1. See, now you can use F4 key. F4 is a shortcut key to repeat the last action. F4. See, F4. F4 is used for the repeat the last action. F4. And please check here headings are appeared. Please check headings are appeared one by one. F4. Again F4. F4. Then F4. Now see, How many headings you have? Now suppose you want to move to the first heading, just click here. You want to move to the next heading, just click here, just click here, just click here. So this will help you a lot while finding something. But instead of finding, they replace it by navigation pane. And in the navigation pane, 3 headings are there. In the navigation pane, 3 headings are there. Is it? Is it clear? How I use the navigation pane, how I set it in the headings. Yes, Mohammed. Very good. We have not used headings. But now I used the headings, so that's why it is showing me the headings. How many headings I am having? See? Okay. So this is the important of style. This is the important of style. This is the important of style. Now, we can use our own style by creating our own style. For example, you can check here. This is created by me itself. This style is created by me itself. So I want to create a one CMA report style because I know the formatting of the CMA report. How what should I do in the formatting of the CMA reports? I need to change the color. I need to change, make the some spaces between the margin and the text area. So that is known as indenting. I need to increase the indenting and I need to use the justified alignment. So I can create my own style by using the create a style. Okay, create a style. So I'm going to create here I'm going to assign the name CMA underscore. I told you about the whatever the name you are assigning, please do not use the spaces. CMA style. Press OK. But I want to make some changes. So modify. Modify. In this style, I want the style should be based on normal. I want the style should be based on normal. And the font size should be Arial black. And size should be 40. And then color should be this one. And the bold should be there. So Arial black 14 point font color is red. And then style show in the style gallery. Now this style will shown in the style gallery. And I press OK. See, here is a style gallery. So when I selected and I shifted in the CMA style, see, whatever I selected the Arial font to 14, bold, and then red color. So with the help of modify or with the help of create a new style, I can create my own style. Is it clear how I created my own style? Heading part, okay. How I created my own style? By clicking over here. Create a style. Okay, but I already created a one style. Now I want to modify this style, then there is an option of, in the right click, there is an option of modify. What changes I want? I want the alignment should be justified alignment. Or line space, see, justified alignment. And this align space should be like this. 1.5 line space, justified alignment, everything is here written. Please check. And I want to assign a one shortcut key. So there is an option of format, then shortcut key. Now shortcut key always work with the control key. Shortcut key always work with the control key. So I'm pressing here the control K. Control K. This will be my shortcut key for my style. Then assign. Okay. Now, when I press, the moment I press Control A, then it will shift it in my style. Select Control K. See. So this way I can assign the shortcut key. This way I can assign the shortcut key. Now your CMA style is available in Style Gallery. Is it clear? So that I'm going to the next feature. Next feature, but advanced. In a style, there is a one advanced option. Clear now? Okay. Now sometimes you want the style should be appear throughout the document. It's not necessary only this document. Because when I open a new document, now your style is not here. But you want your style should be appear throughout the documents in a complete word. So what should you do? In a style, right click, modify. There is an option of new based on this style. New document based on this style. Okay. And press Ctrl S and close it. Save. Now I am closing it. Now, in a different word also, different word document also, you will get the CMA style. File new. See? So now CMA style is commonly built for all document, not only for your document. Complete word. Now it is built for the complete word. Is it? Anybody have some doubt? Shortcut key. Okay. I'm telling you. Just a minute. Huh? I'm telling you. Wait a minute. So I'm going to repeat the last option, that is the style. Okay. So how we can add our new style? For example, here is CMA style, normal, everything. Now I want to create my own style by assigning the K style. The name should be K style and modify. Now I want the style should be on Arial black and size should be 14. It should be bold. The color should be blue and justified alignment should be there. Okay, and the line space should be like this. And a shortcut key should be there. Shortcut key, Control Y. This is my shortcut key. I should assign this. Close. Then I want this style should be available for a whole word. Then new document based on this template. Okay. Okay, now presently it is there. Is equal to rent. Okay. Now suppose I shifted it in a normal style. Normal. Now again I want From here, I can shift it in the normal style. Now I want in my style, then Control Y. This is my style. Now I want to save it, and I want it should be appear in the next document also. So first you should save it. I saved it in the my document. Okay. Then File, New. Please check. You can find case style. Is it clear? Is it clear? Answer, please, students. Those students who were asking for the like, please, ma'am, tell me how you created your own style and how you added the shortcut key. Header and footer. Anish, yesterday I gave you the understanding now. Okay, header and footer. Just double click in the margin area. Then it will open the header and footer. Double click in the margin area. Huh? Very simple. Double click. If you are not like you cannot press the double click, then there is an option of insert header and footer. Header. See, same thing is there. Either double click or insert header and footer. Okay. Is it clear? I'm sure the style is clear now. How I created my own style and how I assigned the shortcut key. Should I move ahead? Okay. So next. After like style, there is an option of editing. This is very simple. Same thing. Control F. Then headings, pages, or result. For example, this is my document in which I am having the multiple pages. Control Enter, Control Enter. Now, how many pages I am having? So here from status bar, you can check you are having 11 pages. In Control F, it will show you the pages. See 1, 2, 3, 4. You can directly shift from here. See, you want to shift from first page. You want to shift from third page, fourth page. Then only you need to click here. Third, fourth, fifth, whatever. Like this is very easy. Okay. So Control F is a shortcut key for the navigation pen. Either you can check from here or you can check from here. Next is the create PDF. This is again a very good. Fine. So create a PDF means what? What is PDF? Please answer me. What is PDF? And why there is a need to create the PDF format? What is PDF? Please answer. What is PDF? Anybody knows what is PDF? No. Dakshit, you should correct it. You know, but it's not a right. Exact is not. Portable document format, not device format. Portable document format. Yes, portable document format. And now let me clear why there is a need to convert your document into the PDF before submitting the reports or anywhere like, because MS Word is a chargeable. You know, I told you about MS Word. If for you, the MS Word, you have to install the MS Office, and for MS Office, you have to take the license. For MS Office, you have to take the license. That's mean it is chargeable. So definitely, where you are shifting your document, they should have the MS Word installed. Otherwise, it will not open. Are you getting? Okay. So MS Office is such a chargeable. You have to subscribe to the MS Office. You have to take the subscription of MS Office. So only in that case, you can open the MS Word document, whatever you are getting from somebody else. For example, I'm sending you the MS Word document. Okay. And suppose you are not having MS Office installed in your system. Then what should you do? First, you have to install the MS Office, and then only you can open my document. And to install the MS Office, you have to subscribe it, means you have to pay some charges. But you can directly download the PDF portable document format installation from the net, because it is free of cost. It is open source. Are you getting? It is open source. So portable document format software is an open source. That's why we need to convert our document into the PDF format. And PDF reader is a free of cost. But if you want to make the changes in the PDF, then again you have to take the license of portable document format software. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, Siddharth, very good. PDF does not need any paid software like Word and Excel. PDF opener is already, no. By default, it is not installed. You have to install. Through the net, you should install. Because whatever the software by default you have installed, like comes with your operating systems. And no operating system integrated the PDF software. Integrated means by default, when you install the operating system, the softwares which comes, they are known as integrated software. Like when you install the operating system, Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 13, then Internet Explorer is default there. So that's mean Internet Explorer is a software which integrated with Windows operating system. But Google Chrome is not there. You have to install the Google Chrome. Is it clear, Siddharth? Okay. So should I move ahead? Okay. Now, how we can convert our document in the PDF document? It's a very easy. I'm deleting the blank pages. So how I can delete the blank pages? Just put a cursor here, because I want to delete the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the blank pages. So just press delete key. See, now all the blank document is removed. Now I want to create a PDF. So directly from here, you can create the PDF. Convert to PDF. See, now PDF is there. It is taking some time, but it will convert into the PDF. PDF is portable document reader, which is open source software. All the softwares which is available free, they are known as open source software. And otherwise, if you are facing some problem, so there is an option of file, save as, Adobe PDF. Suppose you are not having the Adobe PDF, then here is an option of save as. F12 is a shortcut key for the save as. And from here you can take the PDF because it is not necessary, na Acrobat Reader should be there. I'm desktop and this is the, I'm typing here the CMA report. The name is CMA report. Enter. See? Okay. I'm going to open it with another software like whatever the PDF I'm having. Right click. Open with. Because see, when you downloaded it, you have to connect with your email ID. Now you can open it. See, your PDF document is open now. Here you cannot edit, huh? Because this is, I'm not having the editable software. Because PDF writer and PDF reader, two tools are there. If you want writer, then you again need to pay something and you need to subscribe it. Okay. Now next. Are you getting now? Everybody is getting? Anything else? Anish, see, students, please listen carefully. One of our student, Anish, is saying, ma'am, we can convert it into the PDF. There are many sites available. Plus, please do not use this type of things. Because if you convert it online, then your data will not secure. Is it clear? If you want your data should be secure, then please do not convert it in the online. Is it clear, Anish? Anish, please don't use this kind of things. Don't convert your document online because your document is important. Your document is very important. So do not lose the security. Okay. So don't convert it online. Convert it offline. First, you should install the PDF. Acrobat Reader is a free of cost. You can install directly from the net. Is it? Anish? Is it clear? So please don't like convert next time. Next. Next. So the next feature is, this is the like narrator dictate. Next is a editor, add-ins, And some things are very like new for you because you will not get this because this is only available in the 365. So we are going to the start the insert tab. Under the insert tab, the first option is a cover page, blank page, and page break. Cover page, blank page, and page break. These are the important options. These are the important options. The top of the page is known as a cover page. Presently, I am not having any cover page, but I want to insert the cover page. Then you can insert the cover page. It is built in. Pre-formatted pages are there. You can insert directly the cover page. See, and the author name by default will appear here. Author name is automatically appear here. Document title, you can make the changes. CMA. Like cost report. Okay. Cost report. Okay. So this is the cover page. Top of the document is known as a cover page. Control P is a shortcut key for the print preview. See, print out के लिए जो shortcut key होती है, that is the Control P. Now, first page is known as a cover page. Okay. Now next is blank page. I told you the shortcut key of the insert the blank page. That is the Control Enter is a shortcut key to insert the blank page. And there is a difference between the blank page and page break. Suppose you have two paragraphs in a single page. In this page, you have two paragraphs. Now you want this next paragraph should be shifted into the next page. So from here, you can take the page break or again you can press Control Enter. So Control Enter is a shortcut key to insert the page break or blank page, both. Okay, Control Enter. Control Enter is a shortcut key to insert the blank page or page break, both. Is it clear? Next. Next is a very important and almost the last topic of today's session. That is the table. What is a table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Sometimes, you know, in the report, you have to present the, in the report, you have to insert the balance sheet of the audited company. Now, there are two ways. Either you have to create the balance sheet using the Excel and then insert it, copy paste, or directly you can create the balance sheet over here using the table option. Like I'm mentioning here the trial balance. Okay, trial balance. Then first I'm typing here the particulars, then amount, then again particulars. I need one more column. Then here is an option. In the table layout, here is an option insert column, right, and then amount. Then I inserted here the capital, no, sorry, purchases, stock, and here is the sales. Here is the capital, tab key. Then again automatically it will insert the new row. Then cash, Here should be the reserves. Here is a bank. Here is creditors. Here is debtors. Then cash, bank, debtors, fixed assets. Fixed assets. And I insert some figures like 1,40,000, say 3,85,000. Cash is 2 lakh. Bank is 3 lakh. Debtors is 5 lakh. And fixed assets is 7,50,000. Then here is sales, that is 7,50,000. Capital is 10 lakh. Then reserves and creditors. So here is creditors is 4,10,000 and reserves is 1,30,000. Now I want total here. So type here the total and total. Now you can take the formula above. Here is the option table layout formula. Then sum above. See? And then again here sum above. Now the amount difference is there. So 15,000 I am increasing here. How much difference is it? 15,000. So insert above, one row should be there. Insert above. And then direct expenses. 15,000. But the total is still same. So I should use the update link. Update field. Is it? So this is the way how you can use the table in your report or in your Word document. Is it clear? Make sure. Make sure. Vipasa. Okay. Okay. I'm going to give you the clarification on create the PDF. Is the table is clear? First give me the answer. Is the table is clear? Table. Is it table? How I created the trial balance and how I okay. Extra column. Okay. See, first of one by one, I'm giving you the answer. First of all, one of his student is asking how when we can create the directly the PDF. So file, save a copy. There is an option of PDF. And first locate the where you want to save it. Desktop, report. Okay, report PDF is there. See, I'm having the report PDF. This is it clear? Vipasa, is it clear? Now the next. Again, the student are asking how I created the table. So first of all, insert table. I'm going to create a one balance sheet over here. Okay. Balance sheet. Now, as liability, amount, assets. Now again, I want one more column. Then in the table layout, there is an option of insert column right. Then amount. Next, liability is capital. Then amount is 10 lakh rupees. Then asset is, suppose it is current assets. Cash. Fixed assets. Fixed assets. This is the fixed assets is 5,50,000. Then again tab key, reserves. It's 3,50,000. Then here is cash, 1,50,000. Then creditors, it is 5,60,000. Then bank, it is 3 lakh. Then tab key. Tab key will insert automatically a new row. Then now, next only I am having debtors. And then total. And then debtors is, I'm assuming 5,50,000. Then I'm using formula, sum above. And here is also sum above. See, formula can be used. Suppose in the next, I will tell you how we can take the another formula. By default, it is taking sum above. Then okay. But now the sum difference is there. So suppose here I'm increasing the bank by 3 to 4. And here is 10,000. Then right click update field. Total should be changed. Update. Now it is 16 and 10,000 still. Still I need 3 lakh more. So 8. Then again right click update. Is it clear? Now I want one above, more row above, because I want balance sheet title. I want to assign the title balance sheet. So insert row above and just select all the cells and use the merge cell. Merge cell will convert your all the selected cells into a single cell. Balance sheet. Then Control E. Shift F3. Is it clear? See? Is it clear? Do it yourself. Total column. Sum above. From formula, sum above. By default, it is given. Yes, we can adjust the size of table as per the requirement. Anish, do it yourself. I'm giving you the 5 minutes. Do it yourself. Do it. Completed. Any issue? Any issue? Any issue you are facing in the table? Anish, still question is there? How we can adjust the size of the table as per the requirement, Anish? Anish? Okay. See, you can adjust the table of the according to the requirement by manually also. See, you are having the pointer above and you can adjust the size of the table according to the like use the drag and drop option. Okay, is it Anish? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now the next option is suppose you want to write something besides the balance sheet. You want to write something besides the balance sheet. No, upper and top, by default it is upper and bottom part. You can write the paragraph in the upper and bottom part. But you want besides the balance sheet. So you should make the changes in the property of this. In the table property, there is an option of property. There is an option of around property. Around. And now just reduce the size of your table. And you can write here something. See. Report on the basis of audit performed by CA so and so and so. So this is the way how you can write. Okay. So around property, make sure you listen carefully. Around property. How we can set the around property? In the table property. In the table property, you can make the changes around. Around is a option. Suppose you want to write something besides the table, not in the upper part and lower part, besides the table. So for that, you have to set the around property. Okay. So in the next table, I'm going to give you the clarification on the next formulas. For example, I'm having the table. I'm having the table. And here I'm having the item name, rate, and here is a quantity. So I want to use the multiply formula. Suppose there is a item 1. Rate is 20, quantity is 100. Then item 2, rate is 45, quantity is 75. And item 3, rate is 65 and quantity is 125. Now I want to use the product formula. So just put a cursor over here. In a table layout, go to the formula and just delete this formula, default formula. You should use the product formula from the list. Enter. And between the brackets, 2 brackets are there right here, the left, product left. Okay. Product left. And press OK. See. Okay, is equal to product and left is equal to should be there. Huh? And then use the copy paste. Copy, paste and paste and use the update link because it is giving you the same amount. Na? Right click, update link. Update field. Right click, update. Is it clear? How I use the product formula? Product formula. Formula always starts with the equal to sign and then product for left, not right. Left, right, above, below. Only 4 arguments are there. Left, right, above, below. Is it clear? So do it, practice, do the practice yourself. Then tomorrow I'll tell you about if any query, then tomorrow I'll resolve. Otherwise, I will move for the next feature. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye and take care.